Live pocket option trades using my personal crypto strategy. Full balance, full risk. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get to it. Alright, let's get started with today's trading session. I'll be working with cryptocurrencies and selecting assets with the most optimal price movement and payout percentages. You can see them right here on your screen. I have already conducted a detailed analysis of the market as it stands right now, and today I'll be sharing a strategy that includes the following indicators: a weighted moving average with a period of 20, a fractal indicator with a period of 5, and two oscillators: accelerator oscillator and the awesome oscillator, both using standard settings. These two oscillators were developed by the same author, Bill Williams, and they complement each other quite well. So, as I go through the trades, you will get a clear understanding of how to apply this indicator setup correctly. The strategy is based on trend direction and volume dynamics. I'll explain each trade in detail, and by the end of the session, everything should be clear. All trades will be made on a 1 minute time frame. So let's begin with a $40 trade and find the first asset with a strong entry opportunity. Are you struggling to set up trading indicators or just starting your trading journey but losing money? Join my trading team on Telegram today. I trade live with my subscribers every day, sharing all my trading signals. You can easily replicate them either manually or by connecting to my trading account, making the process seamless for everyone. I'm here to guide you, answer your questions, and provide step-by-step instructions on how to earn $20 to $500 daily. Click the link in the description to join my Telegram channel and message me for details on how to start. Spots are limited, so act quickly. It's completely free to join. In my channel, you can also check out my trading results and the income my traders are making. Message me now to get started. First position is opened for a put. If we see a quick upward spike, I'll open an additional trade. Let's break down the first entry. We saw a fractal-based local high followed by a lower low, signaling downward movement. Let's check volume. Both oscillators show a change in volume direction and color on their histograms. This is a clear entry signal. So a key detail here, the price bars, your candles, however you prefer to call them, should be located below the weighted moving average. That means there must be a clean crossover before you consider an entry in any direction. So in this case, the trade was open for a put and closed in profits. So let's move on. I'm opening the trade with the same $40 and selecting a new cryptocurrency. Okay, here opening another put, but as strong a setup as the previous trades. But if it fails, I'll enter one more position. That said, all the entry conditions are still present. The structural high has been updated and the price moved lower, then crossed below the weighted moving average. We are now trading beneath it. We also see a change in the color and direction on both oscillator histograms, accelerator included. So let's wait and see how this one plays out. And 10 seconds left. And this one also closes in profit. Amazing result. Those two last candles had some wild volatility. There was a strong impulse up, but the following candle moved right in our direction with solid momentum. So there was another win. And let's keep trading and pick the next asset. Here, I'm opening a call position. I've got room for one mistake, so if this trade fails and a setup still looks good, I might re-enter. And we've got confirmation on the oscillator histograms, but the price only just crossed the weighted moving average. Ideally, I would want to see it move higher before feeling fully confident. But this candle might just push up. So let's see how it plays out. 15 seconds left. And unfortunately, as we can see, this one closes in a loss. I won't open a second position here because the downtrend continued and the retracement didn't push the price high enough for confirmation. So we only had a crossover, but no real upward movement. So in this case, it's smarter not to re-enter. I think, yeah. So let's keep going and find a stronger setup. Here I'm opening a put based on the actual trend direction. There is some consolidation happening now, but the previous trend was clearly downwards. This entry point looks strong to me. We had a pullback, a structural high formed, and then the price dropped again, crossing the weighted moving average. Price is currently trading below it. Both oscillators confirm the move. Red bars below the midpoint. So let's watch the results. I hope it works out. And the trade closes in profit. Amazing result we see. That was a bit intense toward the end. Crazy candles, lots of volatility in the last moments. We may be seeing a shift in market behavior here. Consolidation zones can create unpredictable movements. But the trade ended in profit, so let's keep going. And next trade will also be for my full balance. And let's continue. Here we're opening a call. Looks like a solid entry point to me. I'm expecting a potential trend reversal. Price had already crossed the weighted moving average earlier, and on one of the oscillators, we see green histogram bars. Volume is starting to shift upward. We are not focused on the accelerator in this case. So let's see what happens. Around 20 seconds left. And as we can see, the trade closes in profit with no issues. Amazing result, I must say. Okay, let's continue with another full balance trade to validate the strengths of this strategy. It's showing really solid signals as we can see, and the next trade will probably be the final one for today. I'm going with Solana and entering a call here. You should already understand the entry logic by now. Both oscillators have shown crossover confirmation. Accelerator crossed its midline and volume is pushing upwards. On the second oscillator, we have got green bars. We had a fractal base structure low earlier, so the next move should update the high. Price also crossed the moving average from below. Price is now moving above the weighted moving averages, so I'm confident in this call position. Let's see how it closes. And this one also closes in profit. What a beautiful result. The timing and entry level were just perfect. Everything aligned for a clean trade. Amazing results, guys. So let's wrap up today's trading session. Today's total profit came out to just under $710. And the withdrawal request has been submitted successfully. And that wraps it up. So that's how the session went using this particular indicator combo. In my opinion, it's a solid setup for sure. If you use it with proper analysis and correct settings, it can deliver strong results for sure. So I really like the strategy, and if you have any questions, you can always ask them in my Telegram channel, which is in the link description below. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good luck in your trades.